Okay guys, so I was going through my old videos at nakita ko to. So, naaalala ko tuloy yung walang kamatayang tanong, nako-convert ba sa cash yung G-Gives? Pag-usapan natin si G-Gives this 2026. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and I want to make this video short and sweet. So biglang disclaimer lang po that this video is not sponsored and it is based on my personal experience. So meron pong nag-comment kasi sa video na yan. Sabi niya, a simple no daw is enough. Ang dami ko pa daw sinabi. In fairness, may point din naman siya. But usually, yung kasunod doon, pag sinabi kong no, hindi na ako convert si G-Gives sa Gcash, I'm sure may magko-comment or sa Facebook page ko or sa comment section, naka-convert yan sa G-Gives. PM me. Don't you know guys, I don't care about that commenter because I live for comments like this. Yung mga viewers na grateful dahil gustong matuto. Because what usually happens kapag sinabi ko lang no, okay, ang daming syempre mag-insist na pwede yan. At sasabing PM, ganito, ganito. No offense meant sa mga those who are doing an honest, trading thing. But I am more concerned sa mga tao na bigla na lang magugulat na nasuspend yung Gcash or nagkaroon ng problema at ayaw ni Gcash or diffuse lending pansinin yung issue ng user na yan. Why is this happening? Hindi to sa pag-iinarte but it is for us to learn what the product is really intended for. G-Gives is a pautang platform offered by Fuse Lending through the Gcash app. And depende sa offer ni Fuse through Gcash sa'yo, you can borrow up to 125,000 pesos and payable in terms na yung interest ay nasa 5% more or less. And well, yeah, it is legit and nakakatulong naman po talaga, especially if you want to purchase big items. Nagiging magaan siya because it's payable monthly, yung pa-monthly yung pagbabayad nito. Alam na natin na pag advance ka ng bayad, nagbibigay naman si Gcash ng cashback. Although it's not a guarantee na makakautang ulit at the same amount or baka wala because every week po umiiba yung offer ni Gcash or G-Gives depende sa ating eligibility or sa ating risk assessment or whatnot. So, I understand kung bakit ang dami sa inyo gustong ma-convert sa cash. Itong si Gcash, G-Gives. But you should not. Kasi pag pinipilit mo kasi, mabibigla ka na lang. Ba't ang dami yung sinasabing bigla na lang nasususpend yung Gcash, bigla na lang ayaw nang ipautangin ni Gcash, or kung nagkaroon ng issue, transaction sa pag-trade or pag-convert ng Gcash, bakit ayaw kang tulungan or pansinin ni Gcash? Kung gusto mo talagang pilitin, wala makakapigil sa'yo, especially if it's an emergency, nasa yun na yan. Take the risk if you need to. But kung pwede lang po, don't. Because si Fuse mismo nagsabi, the loan shall be used solely for the purchase of goods or services from approved merchants. The borrower is expressly prohibited from using any loan proceeds for cash out purposes or any other purposes not expressly permitted under this agreement. If Fuse determines in its sole discretion that the borrower has used or attempted to use any loan proceeds for cash out purposes or any other prohibited purposes shall constitute an immediate event of default under this agreement. In such a case, Fuse reserves the right to immediately disable the borrower's access to the G-Gives product as well as any other Fuse products or services offered through the Gcash app. Furthermore, upon the occurrence of such an event of default, all outstanding loan amounts together with all accrued and unpaid interest and other charges or fees shall become immediately due and payable without need of demand. Borrower acknowledges and agrees that Fuse determination of whether loan proceeds have been used for prohibited purposes shall be final and binding. Nakastate po yan sa terms and conditions ng G-Gives na product, which we all agree to nung tayo'y nag-activate or nung tayo'y gumamit ng Gcash. Kung talagang pipilitin mo, baka masuspend, mawalan ka ng access, hindi lang sa G-Gives, but baka pati G-Loan mo because Fuse also provides G-Loan through the Gcash app. Sayang guys, because this is a legit. There you have it guys, hindi po sa pag-iinarte yung pagsasabi na hindi po nakaka-cash out si G-Gives. Because yes, pwedeng pilitin, but ang laking risk po na pwede nyong harapin kung sakaling pipilitin nyo talaga. Siyempre, nasa inyo naman po yan kung emergency. But just think about the things na maaring mawala sa'yo or maaring mayari sa'yo if nalaman ni GCash na ginamit mo yung product nila for in ways na hindi siya intended for. Maaring pati si G-Loan masuspend sa'yo. So, sayang dahil yung mga ganito po, these are legit products. We can say na fraud po rin kasi siya pag yun yung ginawa nyo. And once there's some such thing as fraud, baka maapektuhan nito yung other loan applications nyo. Because Fuse Lending reports to CIC na siya naman nagko-collect sa lahat nating information as borrowers. So, it's a big risk. Kung kailangan naman po talaga, well, who am I to stop you? Pero kung pwede lang iwasan na i-cash out si GGives, iwasan nyo na po. Kasi ang laki pong mawawala. Marami po mga online loan platforms that offer similar rates sa kay GCash, sa kay GGives that you can actually apply for. My recommended top 3 loan platforms, cash loan platforms that you can use kung kailangan mo ng cash is number 1 po, si Bilis. Itong si Bilis, you can download it through the Google Play Store or sa iOS and nagpapahiram siya ng up to 50,000 pesos with an interest rate, effective interest rate that's less than 5%. So, tulad na rin siya sa mga products na ino-offer ni Fuse. Now, ito naman, diretso mo na tatanggap siya as cash, mapa-e-wallet man or bank account, and payable in installments up to 12 months. Wala pong bawas. So, mas mabuti pang mag-cash loan ka na lang sa Bilis kaysa kay GCash, GGives. Yung second mong alternative is Credivo. Credivo offers cash loans as well. Now, you can get a credit limit up to 30,000 pesos, but because Credivo, yung style niya kasi is a certain amount of that is pwedeng mag-cash loan. So, pwedeng 16,000 and it's payable up to a maximum of 6 months at an interest that's slightly lower than Bilis in GCash or GCredit. So, okay na rin siyang, why don't you try it out? Para hindi na kayo kailangan magpa-convert pa ng mga GGives nyo to cash. Kasi, di ba, terms and conditions mismo nagsasabi na bawal po yan. You can also opt for S-Loan sa Shopee app. Kasi sa kay S-Loan, mga around 5% din yung interest and pwede pang mag-multiple ha. So yung S-Loan, it's cash loan po talaga. You need to have a verified Shopee account or upgraded Shopee account. And depende pa sa system kung kailan siya mag-o-offer sa'yo. But once you have it, okay na rin yan. If you don't have S-Loan, try the Maribank app. It's actually a digital bank. Pero meron siyang ino-offer na Maribank credit that's cash loan na rin at an interest na less than 5%. It's good to have these products kasi hindi nyo na maiisipang mag-cash loan, hindi nyo na maiisipan magpa-convert pa ng GGives nyo into cash. And that's it for today's video. I will see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!